So I just wanted to show you an example of what is possible in small spaces. This is at a client's place, and before I came here, this is what the side of her yard looked like. So she kind of lives in a townhome area, and what we did is we converted it into this edible corridor. So instead of all the rock and weed mat, we took all of that out, and I took out the rock, and then I put in mulch, and then I planted, these are 2 gooseberries, and then here's a giant elderberry, and then we put in raspberries all along here, and there's a big lovage plant, and then we put grapes in, and this is another elderberry, and there's rhubarb, a rose, and then this lilac was here. We also put in this cherry tree, and you can see that it has little cherries on it right now that are starting to get red. So again, here's an example of in a fairly small space. This is east facing, this area right here. We've been able to grow a lot of food. And then if you come back over here, she's got a small garden area here where we've put in a couple raised beds, and you can see that we are growing Brussels sprouts interplanted with dill and some pansies right here, artichokes interplanted with some basil, and then corn, which were definitely beyond knee-high for the 4th of July. And then in this other bed over here, we have some cauliflower, leeks, eggplant, and onions, and some carrots. And then we have another grapevine here. So it's a pretty limited space, and yet we've done a lot with it, and I just wanted to show you all. Okay, thanks so much.